All right, Tom. Tom's gonna ride the 2014 MT-09, and he's gonna take it up and down the street real quick. He's gonna do, like, let's say a demo ride. Listen to that exhaust. It's the MGB exhaust. Shorty.
Hey, wait a minute. How's my hair?
Good.
Okay, that's all I care about.
Look at that sexy headlight and that blue and black with the gold. That's a beautiful bike right there. What mode do you have it in right now?
It's standard. We're going to put it in A mode.
Well, I mean, probably wouldn't want to do that.
A plus mode. I'm going to go this way.
Let me just do a walk around real quick. Give me a little goose. Hey, Tom, that looks good. You know what, Tom? Maybe go that way. You got people outside. Go that way.
Go that way.
Yeah, all right. Go ahead.